jump bell, now I'm on the run. Just 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 jump bell, now I'm on the run. I'm still whipping in the city with my big gun. I'm tryna get my money right so I can shoot up out of state. I know 12 got a bond on me, so I gotta stay safe.
What's going on, YouTube? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy BJ, and we back with another one. You know what I'm saying? This is part 2 of the Brembos and rear differential installment, man. Hey, we finna get it in. Today is the day Bae comes back home. I hope. But yeah, man. Hey, this is part 2, man. I'm finna go up here to the shop. It's early morning, about 8 o'clock. About to run up here to the shop. Watch my boy get the finished touches on. All he have left is the 2 rear knuckles, unless he got those on before I left. I don't know yet. But he got the 2 rear knuckles. He got to hook up the brake lines to all the Brembos, bleed them, refill the brake. Oh, excuse me, hold up. Woo. Had to let that out. Sorry, no corona. We ain't going for it. But anyway, he got to hook up the brake lines, bleed them, refill the brake with the brake fluid, and then the rear differential, he got to put in the limited slip fluid and the additive. Like I say, I ain't the best at recording everything, but I am gonna record and try to show y'all the most I can. And throughout the video or at the end of the video, if you have any questions, DM me on Instagram or whatever, or you can leave a comment on YouTube in the description. I mean, not in the description, in the comments. It's still early, please excuse me. But do all that. I'll get with you. I'll let you know exactly what you need, man. It's an easy process. There are probably even quicker ways to do it than the way I'm doing it, but this way is more efficient for me and was reliable with my budget that I was looking to spend getting Brembos, and a rear differential came out of nowhere, but I'm glad I got it. So enough of me talking, man. Let me strap up, get over here to this shop. I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I get there. Peace. We're not at the shop. I actually had to come and get an inspection. Running late. Forgot my truck. Yeah, it expired. So hopefully we can get this fixed, and then we'll be on our way to the shop. So we're getting there. We're almost done. Everybody get popped on. After you put that one on, got one more to do. Then we're gonna bleed this sucker, put some rear differential fluid in it. That's all she wrote. Put it to the end. I'm gonna let my man do what he gotta do. I know y'all see that thing. Yes, sir. We coming along, baby. She's looking good up there, man. Bleed the brakes. He's gonna do the differential, put the fluid in it. We're gonna be ready right here. Yeah, boy. Right now he got this one all buttoned in. Right now he's working on the other side. Once you finish that one, he's gonna come to the 2 backs, button those in, And then from there, shoot, he's gonna lift it up. He's gonna put the rear end differential fluid in. And then, man, we're gonna be ready to rock and roll, bro. We're gonna be ready to rock and roll. You're gonna see what them 309 gears feel like, but probably say that for another video. But till then, man, y'all just enjoy this journey and y'all enjoy the show, man. I'm gonna try to give y'all as much content as possible right now. But until then, hey, y'all hold on. Still bleeding the brakes. Y'all haven't seen my video on me doing my tail light tint, man. Y'all go check that out. Now he's bleeding. Check him out. Let alone to touch mine off, baby. Fresh fluid now. Just got all the wheels bled. They're rocking and rolling. You just gotta tighten up the axle and then finish tightening those up from the drive shaft to the differential. Fill it up with that good additives and that limited slip. Well, same thing. And we're good to go. So y'all just hold on tight. Everything's buttoned up, ready to rock and roll, lock tight, all that. It's about to be on and popping, about to pop the wheels on. Pay my boy, and we'll get it on and popping, baby. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more info on the next video. I'll give y'all a real big sit down.